So what you doing over here?
Just trying to edit a video on this freaking slow Walmart dual-core PC, man. I don't know what to do.
What's going on? Show me.
Well, I got this crappy G4900 up in here, and I want it to be faster. Like, just look at this. Just look at the playback rate. It's on draft half right now. How worse could it get?
I don't know. I think it's time for an upgrade.
Do you need help with YouTube? Are you ready to take the next step and make your channel bigger? Alright, well listen up, I got just the thing for you. It's called TubeBuddy. It's an extension tailored for YouTube and it offers all kinds of tools. One of my favorite is the tag suggester, and another one of my favorite is the best time to upload feature. But that's only to name a few, so go check it out for yourself in the link down below.
So here we have the $300 Walmart PC, and what we're going to be doing is upgrading it today because it really just is not on par with being able to edit videos and all the stuff that we need to do here at the Toasty office. So we're going to go from the G4900 to the G5400 Gold. And I think while I'm in there, I kind of want to add some bling to it, but I gotta get Amazon, I guess, air droned in here. So we have a SATA type RGB strip. It's, if I had to guess, about 1.5 feet, but you can find all types of different ones on Amazon. Runs you about $8.99, fully magnetic, so we don't even have to worry about mounting it in the case. So here we have a low profile 1050, we have a 120 gig SSD, and we have 4 gigs extra on top of the 4 gigs, so we're running in dual channel DDR4 memory. And honestly, it helped a lot with gaming, but as far as editing goes, it really did not do anything. The RAM might have helped a little bit. So now we have the final piece of the puzzle here, the G5400, and we're gonna pop this in here along with the RGB strips, which add about 10 more horsepower, and then this thing is just gonna edit like a boss. It glows now.
Isn't that what life's all about?
And it has a Pentium in it that's 2 cores, 2 threads. Whoa. Look at it now. It's actually mostly smooth, you know, it's not perfect, but
It's not the most expensive upgrade ever, but hey.
Actually, wow. Okay guys, so just as a little disclaimer, obviously we do not really recommend going to Walmart and spending $300 to get this computer and then an extra like 280 worth of upgrades into it, when you can just buy this one here for $300, and it comes with an 8th gen i3, which is actually one of the upgrade options for this, but $300 and it comes with it. The only thing you need to do is slap a graphics card in it. Could even do a 1050, but this one is actually, I believe, a full-size case. You could probably fit a 1060 in it. We have the FPS, we have the RAM usage, we have the CPU temperature along with CPU usage, which is not at 100% anymore like it was before. This game takes a lot of memory, and then the GPU temperature. So we have this game on the high preset, 1920 by 1080. And yeah, I mean, we're getting about, I'd say 41, 42 FPS. And obviously compared to the first test, it is very similar, the test that we did in the other video. The reason being is that this is just one of those games that's more, well, GPU bound. But the good news though is the game does not have any stutters like it used to, and the CPU is just not maxed out, so we could actually multitask and maybe even stream with this PC, dare I say it. So now guys, we have CSGO. So before we had a decent amount of stutters in the game, and it was hard to really maintain like a constant 60. So this game is obviously a lot more CPU intensive, and here's this man just interrupting my video. I'm gonna ban him.
Alright guys, so the next game we're going to be testing is Black Ops 4 multiplayer. He's actually playing a custom game on Nuketown right now. We're at 1080p low settings. This 1050 is getting pushed to its absolute limit, as you can tell right here, along with that CPU pinging at 100% usage. But overall, you're getting a close to 60 FPS experience. If you lower the resolution down a little bit, you could probably get over 60 FPS, but for that 1080p decent footage, he's getting some cool kills here. Maybe it actually show a little bit, get some kills. Let's go.
Oh, juicy.
You know it, dude. But yeah, I would say Black Ops 4 is playable, not optimal, but it's definitely playable. Yay!
Someone else is shooting at him. Oh god.
Oh, you got him, dude.